Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name is David from Litex, and today I'll show you how to make your Instagram profile private, and that's very easy. Just follow my exact instructions. We'll have to open the Instagram app, and after that you should have your icon right here to reach your profile picture. You have to reach that, then you will see three lines on the top right corner. These are the main settings of the Instagram. And now we're getting started. We'll have to reach, let me show you that, come on, focus. Please focus, okay? Settings and privacy. And now let me scroll a little bit down. Accounts privacy, that's the one. And as you see, mine is marked right now because my account is already on private. If you want to turn your account into a private account, you will have to mark this on. Mine is on already, so it means that my account is private. And you know, if you don't accept somebody, they will not be able to see your photos on Instagram. And if you will mark this one, your account will be turned into a private account. So one more time, reach your profile first, then the three lines, now settings and privacy, and from here we'll have to scroll until we find accounts privacy, and from here we can mark this on. Now guys, I really hope I help you with this tutorial, how to change your Instagram profile to private. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave any questions if you have any. Please have a great day.